Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2009 Buell Lightning XB12. This is Buell's full-size street sport motorcycle. Has a 1200cc V-twin fuel-injected engine, 5-speed transmission. This is a clean title, California bike. Bike has 45,493 miles on the odometer. Has an aftermarket steering dampener. Jardine exhaust. Unique feature, has an outside perimeter brake setup. V-twin rumble. Good Pirelli tires, front and rear. Saddlebags. This bike is comfortable. Nice upright seating position. And priced at only $39.99 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach that 408-730-0600.